Wow! Hey guys, what's up? MiataMods here. Today I'm hoping to fix a problem that a lot of Miata drivers experience at some point in their Miata life. And that is the horrible lifter tick. Royal Trading was cool enough to send me this product for free so I can try it out. I don't get paid to make this video, so that gives me the opportunity to be upfront and honest with you guys about this product. If this product really fixes the lifter tick, it would be a nice contribution to the Miata community, right? The product is called M-Flush from the company Xenum and is designed to clean your engine before carrying out an oil change. It has the ability to unclog hydraulic valve lifters, and that is why this can fix your lifter tick. Sludge can build up in your engine, which might result in a loss of power and compression. Royal Trading sent me several test results showing an increase in power and compression after using M-Flush. You will not see significant power gains, but it has the ability to restore the loss in power and compression. It also has the ability to clean the inside of your engine. On these pictures you see the intake valves of an engine. This is before the flush. These pictures are taken after the flush, and as you can see, the intake valves are a lot cleaner. I will not be taking any pictures of my engine valves, but I will be recording several sound clips of my engine so we can compare them. Speaking of which, let's get the car inside so I can show you guys how my engine sounds right now. Alright, the car is inside and I left the garage door open a little bit so the exhaust fumes can go outside and not into the garage. Now I'm going to start the engine. And the engine is still warm, as you can see. So this is how my engine sounds right now. And you can clearly hear the lifter tick. So I'm hoping this can fix the problem. The first step is to remove the oil filler cap. Get a funnel and then open the M-Flush bottle and pour it into the engine. Make sure that you do not overfill the engine. Alright, so now that the bottle is empty, you can remove the funnel and put the filler cap back on. They recommend driving between 50 and 100 kilometers so the flush can do its job properly. So I'm going to take the car for a spin. I think I need to go to the gas station because I'm a little bit low on fuel. Made it! Luckily. When you drive in the car, try to vary a lot in RPM by downshifting and upshifting. It's also a good idea to do a few pulls. Alright, I'm back. I already opened the hood and I left the garage door open a little bit. So now I'm going to start the engine so we can hear how it sounds right now. Okay, it seems a little bit quieter, but I can still hear the lifter tick. So the next step is changing the oil, and maybe that will help reduce the lifter tick even more. Now we need to change the oil and oil filter. I've already made a video on how to change your oil and oil filter, so I'm not going to cover that topic in this video. If you want to check that how-to video out, click here. My plug is magnetic, so it's stuck to the oil pan. There we go. Do keep in mind that it's really important to fully drain the engine. Leave the drain plug off for about 15 minutes so every last drop of contaminated oil can leak out of the engine. Don't forget to change the oil filter as well. It's a bit of a mess, but the oil change is done. So let's start the engine and try out how she sounds right now. Okay, here we go. Wow! The lifter tick is almost gone. What a difference. That sounds a lot better. Well guys, I'm really happy with the end result. The engine seems to run a lot smoother and the lifter tick is almost gone. So thank you Royal Trading for letting me try out this product for free. Royal Trading offers a wide variety of products, like this deep cleaning fuel additive, which I'm going to try out as well. If you guys are interested in their products, check out their website www.royaltrading.nl. Even if you do not have lifter tick, it's always a good idea to keep your engine well maintained. Using M-Flush with every oil change will help you keep your engine in good shape. You can use M-Flush for all petrol and diesel engines, and it's suitable for mineral, semi-synthetic or fully synthetic oils. I would like to know what your experience is with this product, so if you tried it, please share your experience in the comment section below. Thanks in advance for sharing your story. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. The tools and parts you'll need for this job are in the video description, as well as my social media links. If you haven't subscribed already, click on the MiataMods logo below and don't forget to turn on notifications. For more MiataMods videos, click here. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!